Owesilisa oneminyaka engamashumi amahlanu uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseGroblersdal mayelana necala lokushaya umfana oneminyaka eyishumi nesithupha eGroblersdal eLimpopo. Lelicala lihlehliselwe ulwesihlanu oluzayo ukuze afake isicelo sebheyili. Lesigameko lapho umsolwa ehlasela khona lo mfana siqoshwe ngomakhalekhukhwini kanti ke emfanekisweni uyabonakala emkhahlela emkhombe nangesibhamu. Manje ke lo mfana uthi usezizwa engaphephile kule ndawo kepha ke ubonga impilo. SABC ixoxisane naye kanye nemeya ethe bazosiphikisa isicelo sebheyili somsolwa.
We were at the shop buying some chips. It was me and my friends. Then my older brother, he wanted to put spice on our chips. Then there was a white dude. He found us there. Then there was a white dude. Yeah, he said, no, I'm still using the spice. We said, it's fine. He took sauces. When my brother took some sauces, the white dude charged at him. When he charged at him, I tried breaking them up. Then when I tried breaking them up, he thinks, I don't know what happened. Then he just beats me up. Then he takes out his gun. Then when everyone runs away, I'm like, okay, I can't run away from a bullet. So I'd stop. Then I don't know what he thought. Then he went straight to me and started kicking me. He beat me up. Then I went home straight away.
I came here in the morning. Then this place was fully packed with the youth. Demonstrating their anger because of what happened or what transpired yesterday after an old man beat a young man on the age of 16. And then as the municipality, we are condemning this barbaric act. We are not happy about it. And then as this can cause a conflict or a fight between the two groups, blacks and whites in the area,